Thank you for everything.
Well, it's not over yet. Trust me.
I always have.
Farah! Sister, wake up!
Hadir, is that you?
Yes, let me see you. How long have you been in solitary?
10 days.
You look sick.
No food or water.
Sister,
It's okay. I can take it.
why have they put us together like this?
They're using you to get to me.
They would have to kill me first.
No, Hadir. I need you alive.
Look. I stole a key.
To what?
We will find out. Here, take it. Catch.
Got it.
Good. Hide it. General Barkov is coming. He knows about the messages. Does he know that you are Karim?
We'll see.
Oh, look. Family reunion. Oh, nice.
Go fuck.
You want this to stop, you tell me the truth. Ведете его на склад. Make him talk. This one's all mine. Step back. Back, I said! Very.
Keep your hands over, you sick bastard! I'll kill you! All of you!
I hope you had a nice visit with your brother. Might never see him again. Shut up and stay in the corner. Do not face me, Farah. Any plans you have to escape, you will soon forget. Face me now. It's hotter than hell in this shithole country. You must be so thirsty. Want some? None left. Let's get you some water. Very. Follow me. Now is your chance to tell the truth. In there. The chair, Farah. There will be no escape, Farah. No one is coming to your rescue. I'm in control here. And I can make your life much, much easier. Now, tell me about Commander Karim and the failed message.
Go fuck yourself.
Watch your mouth, girl. I've been patient with you, but no more. Stay awake and you might see your brother one last time. He's gonna give you a drink. Try to breathe. That's it. There you go. Nice. You're pretty good at this. Good. That's enough. So strong, Farah. Keep it up and you will see, Hadir. One more time. Who is Karim?
Karim is dead.
Lies! Stop protecting him. Protect yourself. Доводи! I found one of your sisters.
I said nothing, Farah.
It's okay, Hadir.
Quiet. Her life is in your hands now, Farah. Stay awake, she lives. Pass out, she dies. Еще раз!
I'll make it tougher.
Not that way, Farah! Damn, you're good. Hold still! You can't hold your breath forever. Trying to move your head. Again, another breath. Don't move. Enough! No more! Congratulations, Farah. You saved a life. I want you to tell me the truth. Or she dies.
I did what you asked.
No, I said the truth. Who is Karim?
The messages are from me. I am Karim. I am responsible.
Of course you are.
Farah, no.
I knew all along. Уведите. Tell the others their fearless leader has broken. You must be hungry, Farah. Eat. Then we'll talk. You think this is a game? Huh? You think you can beat me? Enough games! Your brother took a key from me. Where is it?
Did you lose a key?
One is missing, but we have others.
What does the key open?
You think you're so smart? Karim. Now, where is the key your brother stole from me?
I have it.
I know you do. You've been hiding it all along. This country is a breeding ground for terrorists. I am here to bring law and order to this land, and no terrorist thief will harm my country. I will protect Russia. Quiet. Что здесь происходит? Заберите их на складе и спалите его нахер! You didn't save your people, Farah Karim. You killed them. Вертолеты, быстро! Всех фire! Fire!
Loose, not tight. Nice little shiv. Yes. Good. Rocks. Yes, it worked. I can use this to climb.
Я заберу бунтарку из подвала. Быстрее, потом заберем других наверху. Кто передвинул стул? Бери, кому открыть! Твою мать, разбежала! Портка тебя убьет! Это же твоя секция! Черт, найди ее и убей! Эй, ты там! Где ты? Опять на работе спишь! Найди девчонку! Ты меня
I'm coming, sisters.
Farah!
Over here, sisters. You escaped. I knew she would. Thank you, sister.
Farah! Come! The guns are here!
Thanks, Hadir.
Markov almost killed us down there.
Yes, Azadeh. And let's kill him.
The guards are coming back. Quickly, we'll ambush them.
How? Point and shoot until they fall, like we said. Let's get there before they're all dead.
Okay, yes, Farah. Karim.
Good work, cousins! You're all very brave!
I'm trying!
Free the others from the warehouse before it's too late. On me, sisters!
Look, top of the tower! It's a sniper! He's protecting the warehouse!
That's where the prisoners are!
Let's get there! Follow Karim!
Go!
That should be a boat!
Wait for it!
Getting close! Get cover! Look out! They've got the rocket grenade! Enemy by the woods! Soldiers! Aiming for you, Farah! Now, move! Soldiers! West! There they are! He's up there! Take him out! Go! This side! Enemy! They're hiding by the dumpster! See them? Enemy by the wall! I see them! Watch out for the sniper! They're moving!
Shoot them!
Противник вышел из укрытия!
Soldier! On the road! To the right! There they are! Fire!
Они перемещаются!
Rest, my sister.
Watch out for the sniper! He's up there! Take him out! Go! Target! Move! Go! They're getting close! Cover me!
Они открыты!
Behind them! Below them! Southwest!
Застёгнуты! Атака!
He's
Good kill.
Enemy behind the barrier! Move! Go!
Don't shoot.
Who's Commander Karim?
I'm Karim.
We got your messages.
Lieutenant John Price. Where are the others?
In there. Straight ahead.
Stay close.
Right, let's go, boys.
Hadir! Hadir!
This is the gas station. He's burning the evidence.
And the prisoners!
You're gonna breathe. Stay back. Go. All clear.
I can't! It's locked!
Pull it. Right.
Hadir!
Keep pulling.
Sister,
Hadir, it's okay.
they came.
Yes.
We did it. You did it.
Catch your breath. Collect survivors and supplies. We're leaving.
Go north. Avoid the highway. Bravo 6 to Cobalt 4, confirming station time.
10 minutes.
Rog, hold orbit. Hurry now. Barkov's gonna come and claim his dead.
Yalla, تزرنا.
Hey, fella.
You know he's gonna make you pay for this.
We will make them pay.
We'll be ready.
My men have cleared the road to the north. You can camp there, it's safe.
Thank you.
The revolution begins now, sister.
The war begins now, brother.
Even war is a high ground. Stay on it. Bravo 6, wheels up in 2.